The proof is in the follow-up. So did you know that most people do not buy on the first time around? So it's very important, especially now they're doing March Madness, that we follow up. So look for all the people that you talked to in the past and call them. Say, hey, this is Amanda here. Talked a while back about healthy hydration and just curious if you ever found something for your water needs. And then wait and find out, did they or didn't they? And if they didn't, then you have another opportunity to say, hey, we have March Madness going on right now and you can save a lot of money. Was there a specific unit that you're interested in? So asking good questions. And then you have to remember that objections aren't negative, they're actually positive. Because if they give you them, they're usually interested enough that they're just giving you an objection, which is a well-planned stall, lie, or roadblock because they don't want you to know that either there's not enough value that you created or they just don't want to spend the money. So with the financing, we want to sell on the financing program. So if they have good credit around the 650, 700, we can get them a credit line, credit card from Chase, which is for our home model right now, it'd be about $12 a month. $12 a month. If you're looking at the whole house water system, we're looking about $50 a month. So everyone can get access to this water. So the proof is in the follow-up. So what I'm going to do is challenge you to go talk to people that you talked to in the past or spark up new conversations, a couple a day, and talk about our opportunity, talk about our products, and let them know of our March Madness special. So if you got more questions, you want to know more about the training that we do have a new program starting on the 26th. If you're interested in this, just send us an email at support@Healthy Hydration, and I'm going to walk you through 8 weeks hand-holding you all the way through our training, how we're going to market, how we're going to brand, a lot of the wonderful things I learned from Bob Proctor about our intellectual faculties and how our body is set up that we don't learn about these things beyond our senses, but we have our imagination, we have our intuition, we have our focus or our will, our reasoning factor, our memory, and our perception. So we're going to talk about these amazing gifts that we have inside of us and how we can use them to help other people. So it's going to be really exciting. So if you are interested in the program, it's the 26th of this month, which is March 2026, and we are going to be starting at 6 p.m. on that date, and we're going to continue for 8 weeks. So really excited about that. So cheers, friends. We'll see you in the next video, and feel free to reach out to us at any time. Cheers.